You've probably heard a lot about autism. But not all of it is true. In fact, many common beliefs are total misconceptions. Let's clear them up. Misconception 1. Autistic people don't feel empathy. False. Autistic people often feel strong empathy, sometimes even more intensely than others. The real issue is usually communication differences, not a lack of caring. Misconception 2. Autism looks the same in everyone. Nope. Autism is a spectrum, not a single pattern. Some people speak a lot, some don't. Some need support with daily tasks, others live independently. There's no one autistic look. Misconception 3. Autistic people don't want friends. Also wrong. Many autistic people want connection, they just communicate and socialize differently. They may prefer smaller groups, deeper conversations, or more predictable interactions. Misconception 4. Steaming is bad or should be stopped. Not true. Steaming is a healthy coping tool that helps manage stress, focus, and regulate emotions. Stopping it can actually make things worse. Misconception 5. Autism is caused by bad parenting, vaccines, or diet. Absolutely false. Autism is a natural neurodevelopmental difference that people are born with. It isn't caused by anything someone did or didn't do. Here's the truth. Autistic people aren't broken, less capable, or emotionless. They simply experience the world with a different brain, one with its own strengths, challenges, and ways of thinking. The more myths we let go of, the more we make room for understanding, acceptance, and real inclusion. Because autism isn't the problem. The misconceptions are.